stabilized at 200 kPa on sector 3.
Acknowledge you're clear for the final section.
Laser confirms uniformity across the center.
Look at the detail magnified 50 times. The wrinkle pattern shows slight irregularity here.
Yes, the texture seems compromised in this quadrant.
The temperature is holding steady at 35. We can increase the speed now.
Agreed. The concentration looks good.
Check the humidity levels again.
Holding steady at 55%, temperature 32 Celsius.
The flatness deviation is well within tolerance.
Yes, the stability graphs confirm the 0.3% variation. The results are excellent.
The grain uniformity suggests semi-aniline. Let's confirm the thickness.
The software recommends Nubuck based on the current parameters.
The decision assist algorithm suggests a category B for this segment.
Confirmed. The texture matches the reference sample.
and the commercial invoice is attached externally.
Everything is loaded according to the plan, driver. All the documents and serial number.
Confirmed. I'll make sure it gets there on time.
We have an alert on shipment 004. Excessive speed near the border.
I see it. Contact the driver immediately. Confirm status and advise caution.
Utilizing the import processing system, the team ensures rapid customs clearance, maintaining the 24-hour average. The registration is complete. Your lifetime warranty is now active, and you're enrolled in our premium warranty program. An email with your digital certificate is on its way.
Every piece undergoes a meticulous technical inspection. We assess the surface finish, the stitching condition, and the hardware firmness to ensure longevity.
As you can see, the monogram is precisely aligned with the 3D visualization.
It looks perfect. Proceed with the engraving.
As you can see, the edge dyeing requires a steady hand. This layer protects and seals the unique terrain of the elephant leather.
Absolutely. We can coordinate the urgent repair in Tokyo with our certified partner there. I'll send the details to your dedicated app immediately.
Our analysis following the GHG protocol shows a footprint of 45 kilograms of CO2, which we... Back then, the tanning process was entirely manual. The texture of the 1980 sample is unique because of the specific techniques we used.
Apply the dye evenly along the edge, like this. Too much pressure will cause bleeding onto the surface.
The microscopic analysis confirms the successful integration of the nanostructure reinforcements.
Yes, and the tensile strength.
All calibration records are fully compliant with the 9001 standard, as detailed in this binder.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nosso NPS de 87 demonstra a lealdade excepcional dos clientes. A qualidade e o design são consistentemente elogiados.
E a sustentabilidade, como se compara?
How is the transition with the tanning supervisor progressing?
He is integrating well into the critical decisions.
Citizens.
The Priority Employment Program ensures 60% local hire. And as detailed in the report, we're impacting 5,000 beneficiaries.
This award celebrates true mastery and dedication.
Preservar artesanato excepcional, criando produtos que transcendem gerações através de qualidade incomparável, práticas sustentáveis e respeito profundo por tradição.
This year's 23% growth allows us to invest further in our community.
Bilbenjaries.
The data confirms our localized approach. Europe demands minimalism and sustainability.
Asia responds best. The illegal hunting claim is gaining traction.
We need to respond within the hour.
I'm activating the pre-approved response plan.
Please. Our sentiment analysis of 15,000 mentions reveals 82% positive feedback. We've captured 18...
The exclusivity clause ensures market positioning for the co-branded travel cases.
And the sustainability narrative is crucial. We are aligned on the key terms then.
This CITES certificate confirms the leather originates exclusively from sustainable management programs.
Pay close attention to the grain here. This precision cut is essential for the level 3 certification. That's much better control on the skiving. Here at the Circular Economy Center, we turn end-of-life products into new materials. Our take-back program
Ensure the interlock guard is fully engaged before starting the cycle.
Already checked, technician. Safety first.
Pricing sensitivity shows that a 5% price increase in the flagship model would result in an estimated 8% drop in volume, but a net 12% increase in profit.
As you can see, our engagement index is strong at 78% with 92% participation.
pride in the lick. The capital expenditure budget totals $2.3 million, with $800K allocated to the new automated finishing line.
The 40% paid-out ratio allows us to reinvest significantly while rewarding Fusion investors.
Mr. Garcia.
The OEE is holding steady at 78% since the cobot implementation.
That throughput increase is exactly what we projected.
Benchmarking reveals our water consumption is well below average. Our 0.8% defect rate is excellent.
We are seeing a 60% reduction in purchase order processing time already, demonstrating the efficiency of the new system.
Porter's analysis reveal high rivalry. Our differentiation focuses on authentic craftsmanship, radical transparency, and justice.
Our current composition is 58% men and 42% women. We are committed to achieving
Our vision for 2050 is clear. A global leaders in regenerative luxury model.
Look at the useful area, 150.3 millimeters per second. Precision is within the margin. The label is printing now.
The useful area is calculated at 152.3 d-meters squared. Grade A. Check the flexibility of this section.
No cracking. Looks like a solid grade A.
Check the numbering sequence before we set the reinforcement. Confirmed. We are ready for the clamps.
On the rear seam under grazing height. The stitching tension is uniform. It should pass within tolerance.
The pneumatic impact press applies 8mm diameter nickel-plated brass tubular ribbon through the leather.
The pneumatic press ensures consistent application. We test every rivet to confirm it holds at least 80 kilograms without failing.